Tiger. Tiger. Tigers are the largest of all cats. During the last 200 years, their habitat has shrunk, and there are only about 2,500 tigers left. Each day, they may travel up to 12 miles, or 20 kilometers, to find a hoofed animal to eat. The stripes on their body provide camouflage for hiding when hunting for prey. Orangutan. Orangutan. Orangutans are the largest mammals that live in trees. They travel by swinging trees back and forth until they can reach the next one. Hardly ever do they come down to the forest floor. They eat mostly fruits, but sometimes eat leaves, bark, and insects. Every night they make a new nest to sleep in. Asiatic black bear. Asiatic black bear. Asiatic black bears can be identified by the V-shaped mark on their chest. When a predator, such as a tiger, is near, they will stand up to show their chest and scare the predator away. They are good climbers and climb trees to gather fruits and nuts to eat. Clouded leopard. Clouded leopard. Clouded leopards are the smallest of the big cats. They are very talented climbers and spend most of their time in trees. From a tree branch, they will jump down onto their prey, such as deer or pigs. Sometimes they hunt for monkeys and birds in the branches. Their roar is very soft. Proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkeys are known for their large noses. They have slight webbing between their fingers and toes, which makes them excellent swimmers. Fruits and leaves make up the main portion of their diet. They often live near rivers in groups of one male, with several females and offspring. Japanese macaque. Japanese macaque. Japanese macaques are often called snow monkeys because they live farther north than any other monkey. They live in groups of 20 to 30, with a dominant male to lead them. During cold winters, they eat tree buds and bark. They are known for rolling small clumps of snow to make snowballs. Proboscis monkey. Orangutan. Japanese macaque. Tiger. Clouded leopard. Asiatic black bear.